Hey guys, we are back with another fragrance of the week. This week's fragrance is Tom Ford Jasmine Rouge. This is a white flower, pure, fresh jasmine scent. There's no hint of synthetic adjustments of anything. This smells like if you're standing right near a jasmine plant, exactly what it smells like. It is fresh, it is a little green. It is one of the realest smelling jasmine perfumes I've ever come across. There is a little bit of a sweetness, especially once it dries down on me. There is a deeper note that it takes on, which is why I feel like this is such a sexy scent. There is amber, there's a little bit of vanilla, and I feel like there is a citrus kind of cut to it. So a little bit of a lime freshness, which really makes it a well-rounded perfume. It's not overwhelming on one thing or another. Daytime, nighttime, especially at night, something about this is just so alluring and intoxicating. It's not overbearing and you can really layer it beautifully with other fragrances. I know Tom Ford fragrances are expensive, but this lasts on me a really long time. I usually never spray fragrances directly onto my skin. I usually put them on my clothing so they automatically last a little bit longer. If this fragrance was a person, she would be the understated CEO. Okay, she is the boss. She is the queen of all she sees. If she wants it, she's got it. But you would never know because she's super classy. She's elegant. She's feminine. She's strong. She's bold. But she's got some bite, okay? Like, she's in control and she knows it. That's the kind of fragrance this is. This is such an intoxicating fragrance. Like, I just love smelling it even without spraying it. Listen, go smell Jasmine Rouge if you are into jasmine fragrances, white flower fragrances, because this is beautiful and I recommend. Let me know in the comments down below what your current favorite fragrance is. And until my next video, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.